Hey, this is the unboxing and preview of the all features that you can find on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE. Okay, so at the top we got glossy plastic. It will definitely catch a lot of fingerprints and scratches. Over here we've got matte plastic, the black one, with LED indicator. On the bottom we can find the USB-C port with pairing and the reset button. And they look almost the same like Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, but we don't have this LED lights over here. So we got also that rubber sensor and the microphones. And inside that carton box we can find user manual, which is located here, warranty card, and over here we can find two additional ear tips sizes, extra small and large. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, we can find here the active noise cancelling and the ambient sound. And when you put both earbuds into your ears, you are able to adjust noise cancellation level. And also it works actually the same for the ambient sound. And right now it sounds really good. It's like super clear, and you can actually use the ambient sound during the phone calls, so you'll be able to hear your voice. And for sure you can turn off both of the modes to save battery. Now we can find the sound quality and effects, and we can find 360 audio. You can simply turn it on, and what it is basically the immersive sound experience. We can also find sound equalizer with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 default presets, and with the custom one, so you can actually set frequencies up to your preferences and improve your listening experience. And also there's the earbud fit test, so we can check if our ear tips are properly applied. There's for sure a bunch of the controls. First of all, we've got media controls. So what we can do, we can pinch to play and a pause, double pinch for the next track, triple pinch for the previous track, and we can swipe up and down to control volume. And what is also really useful, that we can turn on and turn off some specific gestures. We can find pinch and hold controls for the left and the right earbud. And what it does, we can find option to switch noise controls, to turn on Bixby, interpreter, or use mindfulness. We can also answer or end the phone call by pinching during incoming phone call. And we can also decline call. Over here we can also find earbuds settings, where we can find voice controls, so we can actually wake Bixby. There is also in-ear detection that will play calls through our tablet or phone speaker when we remove both earbuds. There's an option to read aloud notification while using phone, and we can also enable all of them. So for every application. There's also the seamless earbud connection, so it is only working with other devices when you are using the same Samsung account. Over here we can also find gaming mode, and what it does basically is gonna synchronize sound. When you are watching videos or playing games, it's gonna just reduce latency. We can also perform the reset. We can find some accessibility settings. So if you have some kind of the hearing problems, you can set a balance between left and the right earbud. But also we can use the noise controls with one earbud. We can also update software up to the latest version. We can find some kind of the diagnostics. There's option to find earbuds, but let's take a look if we can find location or it's only using the sound signaling. We get some additional plugin. We have to update Find My Mobile application on our Samsung device. You can even add a shortcut into your home screen. But to let it work, you will have to grant location permission. Okay, and really works. We got location tracking. Okay, but what if you are an iPhone user or if you have an iPad? Then unfortunately you cannot get that application, the Galaxy Wearable, on your iOS device. So you will be not able to use most of the features of the Galaxy Buds 3 FE when you have iOS device. And it actually looks maybe not the same, but also you can find other limitations when you have other Android phones. So you don't have access to all features that you can find on the Samsung devices. If you are interested about differences, then I will record a second video for this one, showing you every feature that is not available on other Android brands when you are using Galaxy Buds 3 FE.